How to add social media feeds in Big Studio. To do that, you can click on this add an element option right here, or you can also utilize this plus icon right here in order to open in here this add elements window. Now from in there, click onto the search and then search in here for social media. And then in here you can see your social bars and the likes as well as group feeds and as well as other more. So you can head over and then search in here for anything that is actually related to that. We have in here the social bar as well as other options right here. So what we can do is you can head over and click onto the social bar option. It's under the embed and social. You can also just click on this embed and social option right here in order to go to that. Now, into your embed and social, you can see some social bars as well as other more options. So, for example, for this one, I actually recommend you to click onto this embed site. So you can show full pages from an external site. For example, for this case, you can use Facebook. Just head over and then add it right here and then just attach it from in there. Now, what you can do next is you can just head over and then get the HTML of your Instagram or your Facebook and then add that to the one that we have added right here, paste it from there. So that's how you add social media feeds in Big Studio. Hope you helped.